Okay, you guys, today we're going to be going over Proton Mail, which is a free, they do have a free version of an email platform where you can have encrypted, 100% encrypted emails. Um, why would you need something like this? Well, nowadays, with all these breaches and everything, and the government doing spying and being able to read through your emails and stuff like that, with this service that we're looking at today, is nothing like that. It's far from it because it's also hosted in a different part of the world as well, in Switzerland. And what that means for you is they can't, even if they wanted to look at your emails, you hold the public key. So all your emails and everything's encrypted, and they can't see anything on their end. So this is a great service, especially when it's free. If you need to send message securely, if you just want to move away from Gmail or Yahoo or MSN, and you want to have a secure, encrypted communications, then this is the service for you. They also provide a VPN service, which is great too. So let's go ahead and go into the security tab, and they basically show you, an example of what I just explained, how you can write an email. It goes through their server, of course, but it is encrypted, as you can see that, and it's not in plain text, and they don't hold the public key. It only resides on your end. So you can see that it's end-to-end encryption, which means that no one but the intended recipient can read that message. Zero access to users' data. I mean, they just go on and on about their service, how it's, open source, it's encrypted end to end. The government can't just subpoena, your email address account for them to look at. They don't do any data collections like that. So this is a great service if you want to be more secure out there. So let's go to the sign up page, and you should be able to see some plans that they have here. So of course they have the basic plan, but you're limited with some features. You can only have 500 megabits of storage, and you can only send 150 emails a day. Now I don't know about you. I do send a lot of emails, but it's probably around the 25 to 50 range every day. So 150 per day is, I mean, that's huge. So if you can do the free account, do the free account, or consider making a donation because they are doing this all on their own. They're not like a huge company, but they do have paid plans, so there's those options too. And like I said, they do have a VPN service that's really well known, and they never had an issue with this, so that's another good option. So let's go ahead and select the free plan here because we're doing the email account. Maybe we'll do another video on their VPN. This is where we can create our email address. So you do have a drop down here to change it, but we're just going to do .com. We're going to go ahead and put in our username, and we're going to go ahead and set a password. I like just generating a password with my LastPass. So you just generate one as well. I mean, it's good to have a long password for everything. And then you have the option to do a recovery email. So we're going to go ahead and pause the video. We're going to fill out our information. So you do this on your end, and then I'll continue once we hit the create account. All right, we hit create account, and now it's just kind of checking if we are not a robot. So we're going to go and hit complete on that. And you can see it's generating new keys, creating the account. And like I said, it almost looks like Gmail. The first time I saw this, I was like, wow, this resembles Gmail a lot. So even the interface is pretty cool. I like it for sure. So we're going to go ahead and just block notifications for now. Display name, that's fine for me. We're going to hit finish. And there you guys have it. You have a fully encrypted email platform. And I mean, that's how easy it was. You saw it was like maybe 30 seconds of going to protonmail.com, create an account, and now we can send encrypted emails. And we can go ahead and just go to this quick tutorial. It's just going to tell you about the personalization, folders, that's fine, and finish. And we have some emails here that are just generated when you create a new account. We can go ahead and delete these because we don't need these. It's talking about their VPN service in that email. So if you want to see that, you can check that out. All right, and we can go ahead and create our first email. So we just hit compose here, and we can start, typing our test email here if we were going somewhere, and this will be fully encrypted then. Now the last thing I'll show you, in case you hit that max of that 150 emails or you need more storage, you can simply just go to upgrade here, and you can see you can select from their plans right here, which is $4 a month. I mean, that's pretty cheap, and you can actually get more than that, and then it goes to $11. But I mean, it's very minimal to your privacy on what you're going to pay for to use their platform. But there you guys have it. Now I have a fully encrypted, private email account. Now I can start using this and kind of go away from my Gmail account or my other emails and kind of use this going forward, because at least I know these emails in here are not being read and they're not selling my information to third-party companies. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.